Hey guys, this is Will, and this is going to be a review of my GT Backwoods 2015 GT Backwoods. So this bike has over 550 miles on it. I logged my rides, so I know how many miles it has. So I've replaced a lot of things. I've really loved this bike, so let me show you around a little bit. Alright, so one of the things that I replaced was the seat post. I replaced it with this carbon fiber seat post just for cosmetics. This back tire is new. My old back tire was so bald that like you could barely even pedal, or it would skid out. Mechanical disc brakes. This bike is probably one of the best bikes you're gonna buy for the money. It's in the $500 range. And you get an amazing bike. I replaced the front tire too, because the other front tire was really bald. That's how much I ride it. I replaced them both with Kenda Honey Badger Pro tires. So you have the suspension right here. It's a hardtail. This suspension is not very great. I'm going to try to replace it with some RockShox, or I would like to replace it with RockShox in the near future, so that might be something coming up a video. I put in these little carbon fiber spacers right here because that looks cool. It was only like $8, and then carbon fiber handlebars too because I think they look awesome. So back here we have Shimano Acera gears. There's 8 sprockets, and then on the front gears we have 3 plastic platform pedals. I'm not a huge fan of the plastic, but it doesn't really matter. I also put a carbon fiber water bottle holder on it. You have your suspension controls. So here's the gear selector. The cassette on this bike doesn't make any pretty noises, so it doesn't sound like anything, which actually is kind of nice. I like it, kind of quiet, but it'd be cool if it made some noise, but it doesn't really matter. Shift it up a couple gears. Shifts really well, even after 550 miles. Shift it down. Yep. It's extra small, made by GT. So you got your front brake, your back brakes right here. They are mechanical, so I'm sorry, this is your front brake. So to push down the lever, it just pulls up on that cable like that, and it works really well actually. Not quite as nice as the hydraulics disc brakes on the fat bike, but it's still pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for next time. Oh.